Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels, which you can use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exits. First, let us look at the economical events calendar for today. At 7 AM, we have high impact news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs. And at 6 PM, we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs, followed by which we have medium impact news. And at 7:30 PM, we have again medium impact news for US dollar related currency pairs. Then at 10:30 PM, we have medium impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to plan your trades based on this news outcome calendars. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, it is very clear that the current price action is still in a very nice bearish trend. It had taken support on the support level of 1680, then it went on a bullish side retracement, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal. And if the bearish trend continues, we can expect the price action to retest on the previous support level of 1680. Let us draw a channel pattern to understand the price action more clearly. Here I have drawn the bearish channel pattern. We can clearly notice that previously the price action tested the resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, and currently also it has retested this resistance line, and we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish side trend reversal. And in the past price action, we have noticed the support line of the bearish channel pattern to be acting as a resistance line, and currently we are noticing the price action to take support on the support line of the bearish channel pattern. So the current price action has to break this support line in order to continue its bearish side trend. And when we closely look at the today's candlestick formation, it has opened the same level where it closed yesterday. So the bearishness has become little weaker in today's candle. We can expect little bit of retracement to happen, but as long as it doesn't break the previous high of 1803, we can expect the price action to trend on the bullish side and again trend back to continue its bearish side trend reversal. Whenever the price action finds a strong support or a trend line, it is normal for the price action to make little bit of retracement in order to gather enough momentum to break this support line or the trend line. So it will not be a bullish side trend reversal, it will only be a retracement on the bullish side as long as it doesn't break the previous high of 1803. And when we look at the past price action also, we have noticed a candlestick to take support at this level, then to continue on the bullish side trend in the past price action. And currently when the price action tries to trend on the bearish side, this level is again acting as a support level. So it has to break this support level in order to trend down, and next level of support is going to be around 1713 if the price action breaks a support level of 1758. So these are all the resistance levels and the support levels for the current price action in daily time frame. And the current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend, and currently it is taking support on the support level of 1758. Wait for the price action to break this support level in order to continue trading on the bearish side trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame, I am again drawing a trend line or the resistance line. So previously the price action was in a very nice bearish trend, and currently it has found support on the bearish channel pattern support line of the daily time frame, and we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracements. As long as the price action is trading below this trend line or the resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, wait for the price action to break the previous high also, then you can take trades on the bullish side. And the next level of resistance is going to be the resistance line of the bearish channel pattern from the daily time frame. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1758, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, I am drawing one more resistance line or a trend line. So based on this trend line, previously the price action had respected this resistance line, and also we have noticed a price action to form a double bottom pattern, and it has given breakout from this resistance line also. Wait for the price action to break the neckline of the double bottom pattern in order to take trades on the bullish side. And next level of resistance is going to be the resistance line from the hourly time frame. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame. And if the price action breaks a higher time frame support level of 1758, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating within this resistance line from the hourly time frame and the bearish channel support line from the daily time frame. Wait for a directional breakout in order to take a directional trade in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. For 5 minutes time frame, I am drawing a trend line or a support line and a resistance line also. And the current price action in 5 minutes time frame is trading within a bullish channel pattern. And if the price action doesn't break this trend line or the support line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line from the 5 minutes time frame, we can expect the price action to trend on the bullish side. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.